Reasons to start affiliate marketing now. Although there are dozens of benefits to affiliate marketing in addition to freedom and simplicity, here are top reasons to make money online as an affiliate marketer. 1. No product costs, with low cost to set up. The cost to develop and produce a new product is expensive. But you needn't worry about that as an affiliate. Only got a desk, internet-connected computer, and word processing software? You're in business. 2. Choose from thousands of products and services without limits. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, and market's reach is limited only by the affiliate's ability to promote his or her website. It's easy to find products related to your current or planned website. 3. No merchant account required. Forget the problems associated with collecting and storing names, addresses, credit card numbers, etc. The merchant handles all payment processing and ship products to customers worldwide belongs to them. 4. Make money while you sleep. This might take some time in the beginning to set up and make sure you have the links right, but after that. 5. High income potential. With time, when you establish your voice online and gain the trust of your audience, the more likely they will be willing to click on your links and help you out for providing a great resource for them. Also, the more trust you have, the more people will start. Inherently means that you will have more people click on your links.